Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard from scratch. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need Dijon mustard, honey, and apple cider vinegar. Also, have a small mixing bowl and a whisk handy. We'll start by combining these main components to build our delicious sauce, ensuring a perfect foundation for flavor. Now, let's get mixing. In your bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until they are completely smooth and well integrated. This forms the creamy base of your homemade honey mustard, ready for further delicious additions. This is where you can truly make it your own. Taste your honey mustard and decide if you'd like it sweeter or tangier. You can add a little more honey or vinegar as needed. A pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper will balance the flavors beautifully, creating a perfectly seasoned sauce. Once you're happy with the flavor, transfer your delicious honey mustard into an airtight container. For the best taste, refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. It's perfect with chicken tenders, as a dip for pretzels, or drizzled generously over a fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.